Hi, I'm Dr. Surbhi Agarwal. I'm an ophthalmologist, and today we're going to talk about one of the most common questions that most of my patients ask. Is too much screen time going to permanently damage my eyes? These days, screens are such a big part of our life, whether it is for work or for entertainment, or maybe something as simple as looking up a new recipe to make for dinner. So you will be very happy to hear when I say that while screens can make your eyes really tired, they cannot permanently damage your eyes as an adult. So how do screens make our eyes tired? First of all, it's by causing dryness. Using a screen reduces our blinking rate almost by 70%. This means there's less moisture in our eyes and our eyes become more prone to dryness. How do we avoid this? First of all, try to sit away from direct AC vents that can increase evaporation from your eye and can make your eyes even drier. Second, you can use artificial tears or lubricants to wet your eyes. There are several over-the-counter options available, and if you can go for a preservative-free option, that is the best for your eyes. At the end of a long working day, your eyes might feel very tired and you might get the urge to rub your eyes. If this is happening very often, then please get your eyes checked. Maybe you need glasses and that's what's making your eyes very tired. But never ever give in the urge to rub your eyes. Rubbing your eyes can permanently damage your eyes. It can weaken the front layer of your eye, known as cornea, and lead to a dangerous condition called keratoconus. As keratoconus increases, your eyes can become weaker and sometimes it can also require eye transplant, all because of a constant eye rubbing. Not only does rubbing your eyes damage your eyes, it can increase the appearance of dark circles. It may look like your eyes are sunken inside and with dark rims around, and we don't want to look like that, do we? So avoid eye rubbing. If you absolutely have to, avoid rubbing directly over the eye like this with a lot of pressure. You can rub just gently in the corners like this or like this, but in no situation should you rub in your eye like this. If your eyes are feeling itchy or tired, you can also buy a good quality cooling gel eye mask. These eye masks have a gel inside and you can place them in the fridge, and later you can remove them and place them over your eyes. They do a good job of cooling your eyes, relaxing your eyes, and also reduce itching. If you have a lot of chronic itching, that might mean that you have some eye allergy, and in this situation it is best to consult your doctor and figure out if you need an anti-allergic eye drop or some other investigation or some other treatment. And I'm sure you've heard this one many times, but I'm still going to tell you again. Take frequent breaks from your screen. You must have heard of the 20-20-20 rule. Basically, after every 20 minutes of screen time, you need to take a break from your screen for 20 seconds and look at something which is 20 feet away. When you do that, you increase your blinking rate and you also relax your eye muscles, and this can prevent you from getting eye strain. Another very common cause of eye strain which we don't realize is using our screens under a bright overhead light source. The overhead light source is reflected on our screen and causes what is known as glare. Glare can further make our eyes tired. So make sure there's no bright lights reflecting on your screen, and if needed, you can even use an anti-glare coating on your screen. Blue light lenses or blue light glasses are becoming very popular these days, and I often get asked if these will help reduce digital eye strain. So as of now, there's no evidence that blue light blocking glasses reduce eye strain, but yes, they can in some situations help to make your sleep better. Remember what I said earlier about screens not causing any permanent damage to adult eyes? Well, that's only for adult eyes. It's not the same for children. In children, screens can have really bad impact on eyes as well as on the overall development of a child. And remember that by reducing your own screen time, you will encourage your kids and the kids around you to reduce their screen time as well. Thank you.